Boom! So there you have it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm your professional Tito Waro III. Yes, so right now we're here at Sulaybia. Yeah, we're just camping out here. Time check it's 12 o'clock noon, so we've just finished our lunch. Yes, the sun is scorching hot, but the air and the wind is kinda chill. So we have here our tent and then our toilet, as you can see. So we're gonna show you how we made it. Privacy, baby. We're chilling out here with our friends. We have Kuya Danny over there. Shout out. And here's our friends here. Our baby Woods. Ano ba yan? Nakaano ka? Anong masasabi mo? Ate, ano masasabi mo sa ano? Magsalita ka dito sa mic. Wala ka. So mga friends natin. So yung po may sariling agenda yung ating mga mga girls. So dito kasama ko si Kuya Danny. Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you a YouTuber? Yeah. So yun Anong YouTube channel nyo?
Mac Danny LJO Official.
Yun. So subscribe kayo, ha.
Salamat.
Okay, yes, si Kuya Danny. Oh, syempre para malinaw. So, ngayon naka-live siya, no? Kung gusto niyo makita yung mga vlog niya, pwede kayo pumunta sa kanyang channel. Yan, dito lang tayo maghapon, siguro hanggang magdilim. And then later on, may mga activities tayo, magba-barbecue, siguro magkakantahan tayo. Yan. So, see you later. Sa mais. Sasabay namin sa pag-ihaw later, no? So, kita-kits tayo sa fruits and vegetable market.
Shout out. 1 quarter. 1 KD. 1 KD.
1 KD. How many inside?
7.
7 pieces.
7 pieces.
Sa kanya 10. Doon sa isa.
Sa isa?
Oo.
Yung
Sweet corn, ha?
sweet corn.
1 box, 1 KD.
1 KD.
Ayan, magulang na.
8 half. Sige, 1 minute. 8 half. Give me half. Okay. 9.
9. Mamaya wala na. Ate Nings Mais. Nings Mais. Ang masabi niyo, anong sekreto sa pagluluto niyan?
Nakangiti ka lang.
Nakangiti ka lang.
Kailangan lagi nakangiti.
Paano yung ngiti na yan, te? Nahiyain.
Kailangan laging masaya pag nakangiti.
First time seeing a camel. Hi, camel. So yun po, no, maliwanag ang buhay. Salamat sa Meralco. Wala, prepare tayo ng dinner. Yes sir, time check 5:26 pa lang, no, napakadilim na guys.
Sa kanila bawal girlfriend eh, no? Pag-asawa niya na yun.
Happy birthday.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Shuffle. Yun. Out of balance pa.
Palagi ako
So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This one and third. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.
Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body.